Hi guys, it's Diamond. Sorry, I have a little sick, so my voice won't be so clear. Yes, maybe just a little fever or something. Yeah, that's fine. And today I will going to make a grab and go cover, and the grab and go cover is with the puzzle. So we can see here is a puzzle cover, and already the puzzles already stitched on, already glued on, and later I will stitching it off. And we can see the main cover will be the Rima's letters, and the other one color the customer she want me to make a decision for her. So I want to make this cover will be very beautiful. So I choose the apple green leather to combine. So here let's put here a note to me. Hi Diamond, as per our Facebook Messenger, will you please press the emerald pocket on the side where I usually put the cast dot. So the cover behind the cover there won't be the cast dot. It will be e-pocket. Yes. And okay. So and the cast dot will be in the all press. I will always put the secretary in the back. Okay, there's no problem. Yeah. Okay, so it's a very unique cover that I ever met. I never met before. So now I will start to make it. Okay, see you later. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm sorry because today have sound a little my nose a little allergy. So you can hear the voice about the runny nose. Yeah, but I will try to my best to tell you guys the details about the cover. Yeah. Okay, we can see it's a field note. It's a field note regular size in a grab and go. So we can see the cover. She wants the cover to be a puzzle cover. So this is a puzzle covers here, and it's very beautiful. So let's go close to see it. Yes. And because she want me to combine the other colors of the letters, and she tell me she just trust me and I can do anything to make it better. So I just choose the apple green to her, and we can see so the apple green to combine with the Rima letters here, and it's really very match and really very beautiful. Okay, so let's go inside. And now the different part is here. Usually we put the V pocket under in the front of the cover, but this time the customer should want to put the E pocket in the cover, and want to move the V pocket to the back. So it's just like this, and it's also very useful. Yes, because we can also slide your notebook into here, and with the letter slice here, and it can very easy to writing or to painting. And also if you have many stickers or some little notes here, and you can also to put into these four big room pockets here. Here are 4 pockets inside here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, here are 4 pieces. Here are 4 rooms here in the front. So it's very useful cover. And also this is a it's a very small pocket. It only in the field note regular. So It's also very convenient to just put into your wallet, to put in your handbags too, and it's just like this, very beautiful. And by the way, because she also make orders in the pen case, so pencil box. So we can see here is the pencil box here, and this is in the pink lady, leather. Yes, very beautiful pocket, very beautiful box here. And because the orders price over than $200, so she will get the coasters and the earphone case and the magnet clips here, and also Win is making the tassel for her. Yeah, so I have write down in my Etsy shop and say if you guys make the orders it's over $200, and you will get all the gift, all the small accessories here. And here are the magnet clip and earphone case and the coasters, and there will be a tassel. Okay, so because it's just want to make the Etsy shop to grow up quickly, so I made this event in the shop. Okay, so this is the video today, and it's in grab and go. It's the grab and go in a Vietnam size and the puzzle from pocket. Okay, so wish you guys will love the video today, and see you guys soon. Bye bye.